Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. What if you could charge all your devices at once, while also elevating your desk setup with a sleek and stylish design? That's where the 240W Home Desktop and Mobile Phone All-in-One from MFish comes in. This powerful charging station is not only functional, but also visually stunning, with dynamic RGB ambient lighting that illuminates your space with 7 different colors and 10 modes. You'll feel like you're in a futuristic lab, with the soft glow of the lights and the quiet hum of the charger, as it provides real-time visual cues for charging status. The advanced GaN tech and dual-circuit system ensure safer and more efficient charging, protecting your devices from overheating and surges, while also delivering fast PD 3.1 speeds. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its performance and design, and it's easy to see why, as it's perfect for tech enthusiasts and multitaskers who need to charge multiple devices at once. In real-life use, this charger is a game-changer, allowing you to charge your phone, laptop, and other devices simultaneously, without worrying about safety or efficiency. The included 24-month warranty and dedicated support also provide peace of mind, knowing that you're covered in case anything goes wrong. With its unique combination of style, safety, and performance, the MFish 240W Home Desktop and Mobile Phone All-in-One is a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their charging experience, so why not give it a try and see the difference for yourself? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.